Okay, so I'm testing out these double-ended LED tubes, 4 feet LED tubes, and I've used these non-shunted tombstones. Ordered these from Amazon. They come in an 8-pack, this particular one. So using these, and basically they are non-shunted, so both the terminals, these terminals are separate, have separate wires, and they're not connected. And so, but I make them shunted by wire nutting the two common wires, the two separate wires into a common wire nut, and over here also, and each side is connected to the AC 120 volts, and I have this handy plug with the free wires at the end. So I'm going to connect this in right here. Okay, and this particular LED tube has a selection of color temperatures. It's got from 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K. This is 5000K, but this switch lets me select the color temperature. So if I were to move it down, this is 3500K. And if I were to move it up, this is 4000 and this is 5000.